Hi guys, it's Dakota here with Planner Mom to 5 Boys on Instagram. Today I'm going to show you what my 2020 social media planner looks like. As you guys know that I'm a big fan of DIY, so I tend to make a lot of my planners from mix and match different things. Now I chose this cover, Never Stop Doing. I just felt that it fit very well, and I just want to remind myself, even though this is social media planner, that it's my social media planner and I just need to stay true to myself. Now this next page I found at the back of my Supermom planner last year. It has like Monday through Friday, so I just have like basic outlines of what posts I want to make on those days, because if not I tend to post like 20 posts one day and nothing for the rest of the week. So I'm really trying to get in a better habit of making an outline and sticking to it. I really love these sheets and I hope I can find some more. Now on this page, on the left, I started my planner Instagram on October 13th. I have 500 followers on November 22nd. I'm hoping for that third one to be when I reach 1,000 followers, hopefully. And here is a dashboard that I absolutely love. It says creativity is courageous, pass it on. And then I added a 2020 vinyl decal. I'll link that shop below if I can remember. Now, this next section is going to be all about my Instagram. Here I have a little note sheet. I basically just jot down like post ideas when they come to me. And on this page, I have my Instagram followers tracker I made. Now, I just shade it in when I reach there and write the date because I always want to remember. And then on this next page is my old Instagram followers. I was very blessed and thankful that in 2019, I was able to reach 600 followers. Guys, I really can't tell you how much it means to me that you guys have been following me on Instagram and we've been chit-chatting. Now this page, I have my IG goals. Now I want to post once a day and I want to make sure that I respond to every post when someone posts on my feed or my picture, just because I'm really grateful that you guys are doing it and it helps build a community. And I just want to make sure that since you're taking your time to talk to me, that I'm taking my time to respond and just show my gratitude to you guys. Now, the next few pages, if you guys didn't know, I'm a PR girl for Nash Printworks. Love that shop. So I just have some notes there and some things to do with that. So I kind of just skipped over that. If I remember, I'll link my PR code. It will save you guys 30% if you go to Nash and use my PR code. Here is my Facebook section of my planner, and I haven't been doing really well with keeping up with my Facebook, so in 2020 I want to make sure that I'm posting over there. And I know some people have their Instagram connected to their Facebook, so just trying to figure that out. This next page is the weekly layout that I had. Again, it's the Monday through Sunday, and I just like write down suggestions of what I want to be posting, and I'm hoping this will help me keep posting more. And here's a little tracker I made just to keep track of the members that are in Nash's Facebook, and I just want to make sure that I help it grow because I absolutely love Liz and the whole shop together, and all the girls on the team are absolutely amazing. Now this next section that I'm flipping to is my YouTube section. Now a lot of this is blank. I've had a YouTube for over a year. It was more of a foster channel. I'm just talking about our journey through foster care, and we had to stop over the summer. Some life changes happened, so my YouTube has really taken a back seat. But in 2020, I'm hoping to up my YouTube game, and I'm going to be starting making more videos and posting. So I haven't filled this out, but I plan to within the next few months. Here I have another tracker, and I'm just tracking my YouTube subscribers. I have 70 right now. And here I have another goals page. I want to be posting a video once a week. And then on the other section, I have different videos that I made or that I plan to make. Here I thought this dashboard was cute, so I added it in as my notes section. And I watched another YouTube channel, and she did Trust in the Timing. I'm not sure, I can't remember who did it, but I thought that was just awesome. She looked at different times that people are on and what's the best times to post. Now this next section I actually added in a dashboard extension pack so that I can have a monthly and weekly layouts in it. This next page is my weekly layout. As you can see, I'm very minimal in my social media planner. I tend to just have a ink and maybe 1 or 2 stickers. And then after that, guys, it's just more of the layouts and the monthlies. I don't have the full year in here, but I plan to get another extension pack and add it to it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys subscribe and see you next time. Bye.